Whether you have been using Weidian shopping app for a very long time or you are new to the app and you find it difficult on how to add your delivery address or your shipping address, consider to stay tuned to this video and see step-by-step guide on how to add your delivery address in Weidian shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. For everyone that are very new to Weidian shopping app, it is unfortunately that you cannot see the app in your Google Play Store, whether you are using Android phone. If you go to Play Store right here and you try to download and install Weidian shopping app, you click on search right here and type in Weidian shopping app. You find out that the app is no longer in Play Store. The same thing applicable to everyone that are using iPhone. You cannot find this particular app in your app store. How can you access, install, register, and add your delivery address to Weidian shopping app? So let's get started. The next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you access the app using your WeChat app. For that, go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Have you opened up your WeChat app? Next thing you want to do is to see how you can have access to Weidian shopping app. For that, go ahead and click on Discover. So under the Discover right here, next thing you want to do is to proceed to Mini Program. So under the Mini Program right here, this is where you will have full access to Weidian shopping app, start shopping, and add your delivery address. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, the only way to have access to Weidian shopping app for every foreigner is to make use of your WeChat app under the program sections right here. So from Mini Program, you'll definitely see some of your common recently used app, or click on recently used right here. However, if you cannot find it right here, you have to make use of the general mini app right here. You can see Mini Program Discovery. Just go ahead and click on here and you see a lot of shopping app in this category right here. All you have to do is to simply scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see different mini shopping app right here. However, I have already found my Weidian shopping app. That is why you see it in my recently used app. So I'm going to simply go ahead and click on here to go back, and this is Weidian shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on it. Then it's going to take us right here, and the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. And the next thing I'm going to do, this is my Weidian profile right here. Go ahead and click on this setting icon to add your delivery address. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. And the next thing you want to do here, you can add your delivery address in two ways. You can either add it from your WeChat account, or better still, click on here to add a new address. And it's going to take you right here. What you need to do here is to fill up your detail as far as this particular section is concerned. From the top right here, go ahead and enter your name right here, enter your delivery phone number, then enter your district, then enter the body of the address right here, and then you are good to go. I'm going to fill them up one after the other. From the top right here, I'm going to fill up my name. So I'm going to click on here and enter my name plus my phone number. Then I'm going to go ahead and make sure I click on here and enter my delivery phone number right here. So I'm going to click on here, enter my delivery phone number. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here and choose district. So here we go. From this point right here, you need to make sure you choose your district. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my province right here. And after I choose my province, I need to choose my district right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on my province right here, my district. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose my district right here, which is this one right here. Then go ahead and click on my town right here. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter the detail address right here. I'm going to simply paste the detail address right here. Just like so. I've pasted the body of the address right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and turn on this to make it a default address. And then lastly, we want to make sure we go ahead and click on here to add the address. Now we have our address being added successful. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using Weidian shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.